It was good traders. This is another video. All right, in this video, I'm going to take you guys through a topic which you already seen, how to deal with losing streak or how to come out of a losing streak. Okay, now first of all, I'm going to make you guys understand that losing streak is normal for all traders. You feel me? Okay, everybody just losing streak. Losing streak is when you have consistent losses back to back for a particular period of time. Okay, is known as losing streak. So when you lose 2 trades in a row, 3 trades in a row, it's known as losing streak. Now, losing streaks all happens to all traders, whether you've been 2 years in the game, or is it 3 years in the game, 4 years in the game, 100,000 years in the game, you must experience what we call losing streak. Now, why are losing streaks compulsory, or why are they guaranteed in trading? Now, everybody looks at trading as something that once you figure it out, you never lose. You just keep making money, winning streak after winning streak after winning streak. Maybe you just lose a few times. That's what everybody perceives this forex gurus to be. But trust me, this is how most of our profits and loss metrics looks like sometimes. Sometimes it looks this way. All right. Not every time it's going up. As you can see pullbacks, go up, pullbacks. Just the same way you see this market's going up and down. That's how it is in your trading journey. But overall, you know that this move I just drew here is an uptrend. Okay, so overall, a profitable trader will be able to close the month profitable. All right, but losing streaks also hit them. Now, losing streak also hit them. What can cause a losing streak to happen to a profitable trader is this. Profitable traders have the habit of sticking to a particular system, risk management, trade psychology, and trade management. Nobody talks about trade management, right? Because it falls on that trade system. Now, the trade management is one key thing as your trade system, because you don't just have a system on how to look for setups. You have a system on how to execute and how to manage the trade while it runs, where you take profit from, how far you let your trades run, how far you send your stop loss to break even. Do you take partials or not? Everyone is not the same. You can see some videos on YouTube. Some people telling you, hey, you must take partials. Some think you mustn't. Don't listen to them. If you have your own trading system and it permits that, then fine. Somebody that trades his trading system of 1:2 risk to reward, 2R, and is taking partials, the person will not make money in the long run. Maybe either a break even or loss. This is because your risk to reward is pretty small. People that do higher risk to reward, like 1:3, 4, 5, 6, 8, even till 100, right? For some smart money traders that trade in 1 minute, they can take partials at any moment because they're already gone very high up in their in a trade. So profitable traders focus on these things, right? Which I'm going to list right here. They focus on their trading system, which is popularly known as trading strategy, but it is wrong to call it a trading strategy, right? And also they focus on what? Psychology. Okay, and what else do they focus on? Trading system, psychology, and risk management. Okay, I'm not going to mention trade management because trade management is inside the trade system. Okay, so this is what it is. So this is what they focus on majorly. Now, they focus on this majorly doesn't make them or keep them away from losing streaks, right? Now, losing streaks happen when your trade system is failing. Losing streak can happen when your psychology is bad, and also losing streak can be caused by poor risk management, right? So, um, what I mean by this, I'm going to explain a little bit deeper, right? Now, every trade system that made you money in backtest or made you money in the past, it's also capable of making you losses because no trade system is 100% accurate. All right, there's no holy grail out there. Every trade system has its own downsides and advantage. In case you're watching this video and you're looking for a holy grail or something that works 100% of the time, it's not going to be found, right? It doesn't exist. Okay, it doesn't exist. So, trade system. So when you have gotten a trade system with an edge in the market that you normally use to look for setups, all right? You watch this have played out times and times after in backtest sessions in different modes, different pairs, and you now have a confidence trading with this system. Does that mean you do not lose in this system? No, there are bound to be losses. Feel me? There are what? There are bound to be losses because um uh as I said before, no trading system is completely accurate. Now, in real life trading, right, you can experience series of losses. For higher traders that have spent a lot of years in the game, forex bureaus and the rest, like they actually follow their system religiously and still experience series of losses. So in this video, I'm here to tell you guys that it's completely normal. You can follow your system consistently, have all rules in check, have everything in check, and still what lose consistently 3 times in a row, 4 times in a row, 5 times, even 6, even 7, even 10 times in a row. It's possible, right? In this market, and in the anything is possible. So another thing that could cause a losing streak is poor psychology. Coming out, being in a winning streak can lead you into a losing streak. Like you'll be winning trades back to back, back to back. You can become overconfident and break some rules and do not look for the extra confirmations you normally look for. You just jump in and start feeling like you're a beast in the market or whatever, and it ushers you in swiftly into a losing streak, and you start losing money back to back. All right. So poor psychology could cost it. Now, being in a losing streak can make you be in more losing streak when your psychology is poor because you start becoming afraid of trading, afraid to execute. When you're afraid to execute, you watch your system play out and then you beat yourself over it. And then when something that appears that doesn't look really like a system, but because you've missed the former trade, you jump in and you lose again. That's how your losing streak continues. So poor psychology causes losing streak, right? But you can have a good trading system, have a good trade psychology, and still enter a losing streak. So what I'm trying to say is that if you trade badly from your trading, like if you don't follow rules, you can be on a losing streak. If you follow rules, you can be on a losing streak. If you have a good psychology, you can be on a losing streak. If you have a bad psychology, you can be on a losing streak, right? It's not like it's guaranteed in trading, right? It's not strange. It's not bad in quotes, but sometimes you can indicate that you're doing something wrong. So what you want to focus on is making sure you have back tested your trading system, you understand, you've mastered it, and you've applied it a whole lot of times in back testing, and you have the data of all what played out during the back test session, all the pairs, the time you traded, the arrow, everything, the win and losses, everything recorded for future reference and to build confidence, right? So that is it. So that's what you should focus on. Then risk management right here, like risk management is something that could usher into a losing streak. Like you could be winning trades or something, and then you use one big lot size because of overconfidence, and then the lot size, that trade fails you like it was a losing trade. And then because you want to make back all the money, you try to enter a new trade as fast as possible that day and to make up back that money, and you lose that trade. And maybe when that trade is going in dollar, you keep adding positions because you want to make a bigger money, and then you lose all those stuff again, and it's big loss, and you want to strike fighting and you keep losing even more and more. Okay, so the three of them have to be in check. I've said this many times on my channel. Training system, psychology, and risk management. These are the 3 things you need to work on as a trader. If you are 100% good in all of them, you don't have to be 90% good in one or 80% good in one. You have to be 100% good and accurate in all of them. This is how you achieve consistent profitability. Now, consistent profitability is not being consistent in every day making money or every week making money. It's every month making money. You have to set a goal and try to achieve it every month. If you can do that, then it means you know what you are doing as a trader, right? So focusing on the right things will actually can still lead to losing streak, but you'll be able to come out very fast. Example of a losing streak that's normal, you could like take a trade, like you can take 10 trades and then you win the first second, then you lose 3, 4, 5. And then you win 6, 7, 8, 9, and then you win and you lose 10, right? All these are normal things. Like if you're trading right, you get into a losing streak and it won't take time, like maybe 3 or 2, and then you're out. But if you're doing something wrong, it could last for months and 2, 3 months and become something else, right? So when you have a losing streak, you want to make sure your trading system is accurate, it's working, it's back tested. You want to make sure your psychology is correctly put in check, and the risk management is not out of greed, but it's out of a conservative trader's mindset and out of uh, um, 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 is it? I don't know how to put it, but it shouldn't be out of greed. You can't make all the money in one trade, right? You need millions of trades to make you who you are, and not in one day, right? So peace out. And subscribe to the channel for more of this, and hit the like button if you really like this video. Peace out.